Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious garlic butter fried rice. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at these ingredients. Here I have some pre-cooked white rice. I'll be using some egg whites and some egg yolks. So here I have my egg yolk and I have the egg whites here with one yolk in it. I have some green onions. I'll be using a little garlic. I have some butter and some chicken bouillon, salt, mushroom seasoning, and black pepper. Super simple. So the first thing you want to do is combine the egg yolk with your cooked rice. This will give that rice the nice buttery color, a natural buttery color that we are looking for. You know, we want to have that color without having to add artificial coloring. So yeah, we're going to add that in. Then you want to add some oil to your wok and we will cook those egg whites first. We will cook them, add a little salt and black pepper and remove and set aside. Now to the same wok, I will add a little more oil and we will go in with our garlic. You want to cook the garlic a bit, allow it to become a little brown but not burnt. So you want a nice golden brown on the garlic. So there you see me add a little butter and we're going to add the butter a little at a time to avoid it turn into like grease or oil. So you want to add the butter in slowly. And I will save 1 tablespoon for when the rice is actually done. So here you see me added 4 tablespoons of butter in there. And now we will go in with our seasoning. Give that a good stir. And now we will come in with our rice. You want to cook this rice really well because remember we add the yolk to it. So you want to cook it. You see how it's like clumpy? You want to keep stirring this. And once it starts to loosen up, that's how you know that the rice is thoroughly cooked. It will start to loosen and be fluffy, and that's how you know that it's cooked. As long as it's clumpy, it's still wet with the egg, so you got to make sure that you cook it thoroughly. It will take about 4 to 5 minutes or so, stirring consistently. And yeah, that's basically it. We will add our fresh green onions in last and our eggs, and that's it guys. This is one of the most delicious fried rice you will ever taste, trust me. Butter and garlic, those are my favorites. So yeah, that's it guys. Let me plate it up and show you guys the finished product. So I did pair this up with some General Tso's salmon and steamed broccoli and carrots. And let me tell you, it paired very well. It was so delicious, flavorful, and I can't wait for y'all to try this. You can eat it just by itself. It kind of tastes like egg and rice. If you're a lover of egg and rice, yeah, that's it. But very flavorful with the garlic and stuff. And like I said, I will leave all the ingredients I use in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.